Assalamualaikum, dear students. Assalamualaikum. Today, our topic is homologous series. A homologous series is a group of organic compounds having similar structures and similar chemical properties, in which the successive compounds different by CH2 group. The various organic compounds of homologous series are called homologs. It is clear that the two adjacent homologous hydrogen atoms are CH2 group. For example, the homologous series of alkane is methane CH4, ethane molecular formula C2H6, propane C3H8, butane molecular formula C4H10. All the alkanes having similar structures with single covalent bonds and shows similar chemical properties, so they can be grouped together in the form of a homologous series. The first 5 members of the homologous series of alkanes, which I told you, that methane, ethane, propane, butane, and pentane. The general formula for the homologous series of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, where n is the number of carbon atoms in one molecule of alkane. First member of alkane series contains one carbon atom. Second member of alkane series carries 2 carbon atoms. Third number of alkane series contains 3 carbon atoms. Similarly, fourth number of alkanes of homologous series contains 4 carbon atoms, and similarly fifth member of alkane series contains 5 carbon atoms. Now the characteristics of these homologous series. All the members of homologous series can be represented by the same general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2. And second one characteristic of this homologous series is any 2 adjacent homologs differ by 1 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atoms in their molecular formula. Third one characteristic is the difference in the molecular mass of any 2 adjacent homologous series is 14. And fourth one characteristic of this homologous series is that all the compounds of a homologous series shows similar chemical properties. Fifth one characteristic of homologous series is the members of a homologous series show a gradual change in their physical properties with increase in molecular mass. Now, the homologous series having general formula CnH2n, that is homologous series of alkenes. The general formula of this alkene series is CnH2n, where N is the number of carbon atoms in 1 mole of an alkene. The first 5 members of this alkene series are ethane, having molecular formula C2H4, propane, having molecular formula C3H6, butane, having molecular formula C4H8, pentane, having molecular formula C5H10, and hexane, having molecular formula C6H12. First member of this alkene series contains 2 carbon atoms, while second member of alkene series contains 3 carbon atoms. थैंक यू बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्लास में फिर मिलेंगे। शुक्रिया। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।